Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market in the second video as usual. So here we have very important price action in general. The situation that we discussed in the weekly report tells that this performance that we see right now in the gold is very important, not because of the different trading setups that could be formed here, but mostly as an indicator. Because as we said in the weekly report that this is actually not market driving factor that makes gold to drop. And in fact, gold just has become the victim of the running into United States dollar process, and that definitely doesn't reflect the value of the gold, its meaning in the current situation, in the global environment that we have currently, and everybody is clear to understand that gold should cost higher. We should get the better price, especially on the background of the 5 trillion liquidity injections already, actually, as it was announced, unlimited injections from the Fed to stimulate the economy, to support the markets, and just to provide necessary liquidity. As a result, as you can see, the market shows to rally. That's approximately what we have expected to get. And now the major question is whether this rally is just the retracement, and we should be ready for a deeper A, B, C, top, D pattern, deeper retracement on the gold, or this rally will become the starting point of the long-term trend continuation on the higher time frame, on the monthly chart. Based on the activity, based on price behavior, I would suggest that this action is mostly stands in favor of trend continuation rather than retracement, by the many reasons. If even we will make some discount to the shape of the pattern, taking into consideration the times that we are living right now, this price action is not good for a bearish, potentially bearish pattern. Because take a look, market on the way down shows very strong action. That's typical for the head and shoulders, but rally on the slope of the right arm is not good. I would suggest that these rallies would be better, should be here, while this type of action should be here. So this right arm upward action should be slower, just because the bears should gradually take into control of the market and then it should be collapsed based on the market mechanics of this pattern. But instead of that, we see fast appreciation on the market above the daily overbought. So I don't have this level here, but if you remember, silver overbought was somewhere around 1580 area. As you can see, market right now stands deeply overbought on the daily chart. So this is really fast acceleration. Also, speaking in this from the terms of this consolidation, so if you remember, initially we have traded this double top pattern, and market returns that back up inside of this range. So it means that actually market get access to high upward action here because no resistance stands above it, except maybe the overbought. From that standpoint, everything suggests that probably it would be better to not search chance to go short, at least right now. We have more information on the follow time frame chart. Take a look what we have here. This upward action has hit the XOP target, 1621 approximately. And that actually the moment of truth, because market already looks a bit overextended for retracement that we have suggested. But we could accept that indeed market shows deep retracement. It has hit the XOP. Sometimes it happens, although it's quite rare story, but sometimes it happens. Let's give market the chance to hit the XOP and treat it as an ultimate level of the retracement. And now, guys, we have to keep an eye. If market exceeds the XOP, this will be from any way, this will be a natural type of action for any retracement. So it will tell you that this is not a retracement. If market will exceed and move above the XOP. That's actually what we said. Keep an eye on this resistance area. If market breaks it up and starts climbing higher back to the 17 even area, it will tell you that we should get upward continuation, acceleration in the monthly chart and continuation of the long-term bull trend where we stand actually right now. Conversely, starting dropping here, showing deeper pullback, would still suggest that maybe as indeed retracement starts to behave. But I think that it's worse chances on that than the upward continuation. It means that if you still consider the possible taking the short position, it would be better, guys, to give the clear patterns. So currently we do not have any clear patterns currently. So do not take the position blindly just because market at the XOP. It could be really very expensive journey. Wait for the clear signs of the reversal. We're trying to update the situation daily and see what is going on. But currently at this moment, I think that it's not a good point for taking the long position, on the short position on the gold. Besides, take a look what's going on here. It's very uncommon type of action where you have seen that prefer. Take a look at these long shadows. So every minor retracement, minor sell-off is buying back immediately by the new traders that step in, so you can see. At the same time, it tells you that some real resistance stands here that's starting to push price lower. So this is really battlefield. So this is the final outpost for the bears, and there's a lot of gold contracts change their hands right now. So some kind of the churning type of action in this area because of the targets that we have has hit. So because this is actually the final point for where we could still think that this is a retracement. Above it, it will be not the retracement anymore. So from that standpoint, what I would like to say, first of all, do not take the short by far, despite that we are at XOP. Watch for clear patterns. For taking the long position, guys, this is also not good moment right now because market at first at the overbought, and second, where we have not got the breakout yet to the XOP target. So that, from that standpoint, it's probably to wait at least for one session, maybe till tomorrow, and see what will happen here. But just by the balance that we see right now between the price behavior and how gold behaves currently, well, I'm tending to idea that it seems that more probable bullish continuation because it's really, well, it's too much action for just a retracement in the shape of the hand shoulder pattern in particular. So that's our view on the gold market.